Morning students. So today discuss about in this video especially unit sign measurement chapter class 11 intermediate first year, especially focus on significant figures and rounding numbers. So what is the significant figure? So the digits of a number representing a measurement that are definitely known plus one more digit added at the end, which is estimated, are called significant digits or significant figures. Okay, so I will give first for example. So I am taking one rod. This is a one rod. Okay, so we what is I am aim? You calculate what is the length of the rod. So I calculate what is the length of the rod. For this purpose, I am taking one scale, normal scale, okay, 15 centimeter scale, or 30 centimeter scale. I am taking one normal scale. So here every scales or every measurement of instrument having the least count. Least count. Here I am taking one scale. What is the least count? 0.1 centimeter. 0.1 centimeter here. So this is a one scale. Okay, the scale is having some values. This is a zero value, some lines 1 2 3 4 5 like this. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, up to 30 centimeters I am taking. Okay, so here suppose I am taking one rod, right? So one end, this is a end, this is a B end. The A end exactly fixed on exactly 0. This is A end is a fixed rod. And so this is for example, rod length. Here, what is the rod length I am taking? The second end A is exactly starting with 0 end. But in the last end between 14.5 centimeter to 14.6 centimeter, just I am assuming, not exactly 14.5, not exactly 14.6. What is the differ between this end B is between 14.5 centimeter and 14.6 centimeter. So in this case I am asking one question: what is the exactly length? What is the exactly length of this rod? Is it 14.5 or 14.6? So it is not 14.5, it is not 14.6. So what is your observation in this one? The length of rod, may be, so compulsory more than 14.5 centimeter and less than 14.6 centimeter. Clear? Okay, more than 14.5 centimeter and less than 14.6 centimeter. So one student, one observer, for example, one observer, so maybe think the correct measurement perhaps 14.52 centimeter. Okay, so one observer or one student, correct measurement is perhaps, what is the correct measurement? 14.52 centimeter. So where 1 and 4 and 5 are these digits are called reliable digits. Means is exactly 145 is a reliable digits. So what is the 2? This is 2 is a guess value, guess, maybe 4.51 52 53 54 55 something is given. So I am taking, but this is the only example, 14.52. So 2 is a guess value. Is it reliable? Not reliable. Not reliable. So this is 14.52 significant figure is equal to 4. So what is the significant figure? Their significant figure is equal to 4. So this 2 is called, Okay, this is called here 4 is the significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the significant. So this is 2 is called first. This 2 is called. So that is in the 14.52. What is the last one? This is the last one. This is the last one. Okay, so the last number. So this last significant figure is called the last significant figure. What is the last significant figure? 2. So this last significant figure 2 is called first doubtful figure. What is the name? First doubtful figure or least significant figure. Least significant figure or also another name uncertain digit. So what is the name? So this is last significant figure is called guess number or first doubtful figure or least significant figure or uncertainty digit. So here what is the definition? If going to definition, so here the digits of a number like that 14.52, the digit of a number representing measurement that are definitely known plus one more digit added at the end, plus one more digit added. So what is in this one example, which digit is adding one more? 2 is added, one more digit added at the end, which is estimated is called significant digits. This is complete figures is called significant figures. Next, how to count the significant figures? It is having some rules. Okay, so first one, rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? All non-zero digits. First rule, all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant without any regards to the location of the decimal point, if any. What is the first rule? All non-zero digits. Okay, so what is the first rule? All non-zero digits are significant without any regards to the location of the decimal point. For example, here I'll give 6482. 6482. So is it zeros is there? No, all non-zero. What is the significant figure? You can calculate all values 1, 2, 3, 4. Their significant figure is equal to 4. All non-zeros. Sometimes 648.2. What is the significant figure? It is also all non-zero numbers. Their significant figure also 4. Sometimes 64.82 is given. What is the significant figure? Significant figure is equal to 4. And 6.482 is given. What is the significant figure? The significant figure also same. So what is the first rule? All non-zero digits is having the significant figures without any regards to the location of decimal point. Here some decimal point, this is a decimal point, decimal point, decimal point. Any decimal point is not considered. It is all are significant figures. This is a first rule. This is a first rule. And what is the second rule? And all zeros. Second one, all zeros occurring between two non-zero digits. Two non-zero digits without any regards to the location of decimal point if any. What is the second condition? All zeros between two non-zeros. Here I am taking example, very simple example. Here 206,008. So this is the first one and last one. It is a two non-zero digits. Okay, first one and this is the last one, two non-zero. So here all zeros occurring between, maybe all zeros are sometimes zeros. So what is the significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The significant figure you can calculate 6. And suppose sometimes 206.008. What is the significant figure, sir? It is also considered because here without any regards the location of decimal point, if any. Without any regards of the location of the decimal point. Their decimal point I don't know. Here 2.0, what is the significant figure? It is also 6. Sir, here 2.06008, what is the significant figure, sir? It is also 6. And 20600.8, what is the significant figure, sir? It is also 6. This is a second rule. What is the second rule? All zeros occurring between two non-zero digits are significant without any regards to the location of the decimal point, if any. This is the second rule. Rule number 3. If the number is less than 1, if the number is less than 1, important, the number is less than 1, all the zeros to the right of the decimal point, but to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. Here I will taking one example. Is a very good example. So here I am taking 0.000608 for example. So in the 0.00608, if the number is less than 1, yes, sure, 0.00 means is less than 1. All the zeros to the right of the decimal point. Here, this is a one decimal point, and here this is a right. Here, this is a zeros. But to the left to the first non-zero, this is a first non-zero. These all are zeros at the decimal point of right, and this is the first non-zero digits are not significant, means these three are not significant. There is no significance. So 0.000608. So here in this one, so the significant figure is equal to 3. Okay, significant figure is 3. So here, sir, inside between 0 is there, sir. Okay, suppose here 0.608 is there, but between 0 is there. Is it significant figure or not? So what is the rule number 2? Rule number 2, if you check the rule number 2, in the rule number 2, inside between two non-zeros, inside zeros is there, you can consider significant figure. But what is the rule number 3? If the number is less than 1, all the zeros to the right to the decimal point, but to the left to the first non-zero. What is the first non-zero? 6. So these 3 zeros is not significant. For example, here 0.01208. What is the significant figure? So here this first 0, this is a non-zero, it is not significant figure. So therefore the significant figure is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 is a significant figures. Rule number 4. All zeros to the right of decimal point, all zeros to the right of decimal point are significant if the number is more than 1. The number is, for example, here I am taking 60.00. What is the significant figures? Anybody guess? Is it 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? The significant figure is correct answer 4. So this is 6 is a more than 1. All zeros to the right of, this is a decimal point. So the right, this is a 2 decimal point, also significant figures. For example, here 200.00. What is the significant figure? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The significant figure is equal to 2. So this is the fourth rule. All zeros to the right of a decimal point are significant if the numbers is more than 1. Sometimes 203.0. What is the significant figure, sir? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also significant figure because inside 0 is there. What is the rule? Second rule. And next one, in this one, second rule, what is the second rule? All zeros to the right of the last non-zero digit after decimal point are significant. Decimal point are significant. So here I am taking, for example, is very example 0.007800, for example. Okay, so in this one, all zeros to the right of last non-zero, the 7 is a non-zero. The 7 is a non-zero. At the decimal point here, this is the right. Okay, so the right, how many zeros is there? So at the decimal point is the right, 2 zeros is there, and 7 is a not a significant. Rule number 3. But these zeros after 8, this is especially. Okay, so these 0 after 8 are significant figures. Okay, so here in this one only 2 significant, that is I will write, it is not a significant this one. So 0.0078 only with 2 significant digits. So therefore, what is the significant figure? This is a significant figure. The significant figure is 4. Significant figure is 4. All of you understanding? So all zeros to the right of the last non-zero digits after decimal points are significant. So for example, here I close the, so this is last to 2, for example. So 0.2 in this one, 0.0078. What is the rule number? Rule number 3. In the rule number 3, 0 point some zeros is given. Is it calculated the significant figure? So it is no significant figure. So here 0.0078, what is the significant? 2. significant figure is 2. But what is the condition is there? All zeros to the right of the last non-zero digits after decimal point is a significant. So therefore these two zeros, okay, this is non-zero after zeros is there, it is also calculate significant figures. So therefore what is the significant figures? 0.007800, their significant figure is 4. It is a wrong value. Rule number 5, sub rule A. All zeros to the right of last non-zero digits in a number having no decimal point. Important. No decimal points are not significant. For example, here I am taking the example 4060. What is the significant figure generally? So all our students compulsory write down 1, 2, 3, 4. The significant figure is 4. But this is a wrong answer. According to rules of the fifth one, all zeros to the right of last non-zero. This is a non-zero. Last non-zero. The last non-zero. What is the last non-zero? 6. All zeros to the right of last non-zero digit in a number, no decimal point. Is it decimal point number? No. So this 0 is a not significant figure. This is a 0 is a not significant figure. So now 4060, what is the significant number? There 4060 significant number, significant figure is equal to 3. All of you understanding? Okay, so it is a number, their last zeros will be is there, it is not considered the significant figure. For example, second one, 406000, what is the significant figure? Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, it is a non-significant figures. Non-significant figures, so it is also their significant figure is equal to 3. And the last condition, so it is very important, exception to rule 5a. This is a beside rule some exception. What is the exception? All zeros to the right to last non-zero digits in a number having no decimal point will be significant if they come from in actual measurement. So here I am taking very good example. So this is an exceptional case. What is the exceptional case? For example, suppose the distance measured, distance one student, distance measured one scale in a meters. Okay, meters. So it is reported 4.500 meters. For example, one student distance, suppose a distance measured in a meters, one student reported 4.500 meters. So here please listen, 4.500 meters. So generally what is the significant figure? The significant figure is equal to 3. There is no problem. Significant figure is a 3. Suppose it is expressed in a centimeters. So this 4.500 meters is converted to centimeter. Just it is a 450 centimeter. 450 centimeter. What is the 450 centimeter significant figure? This is a significant figure is equal to, we know that very well too. So you observe 4.500 meter is equal to 450 centimeter. Both are correct. Meter is converted to centimeter, but what is the significant? The significant will be wrong. Significant will be wrong. So here we can take some values. So that is, I will write exactly 450.0 centimeter. So in this one, what is the significant figure? Their significant figure at initially. This is a significant figure. What is the significant figure? 4.500. Significant figure is equal to 4. Sorry, actually it is not a 3. It is a 4 significant figure. So the distance is measured in a meter, 4.500 meters. What is the significant 4? But in the meter is converted to centimeter. So generally 450 centimeter. So the both are same, but then significant figure. So this is a significant figure is equal to 2 according to rules. According to the above rules, their 450 centimeter is a significant 2. But centimeter is converted to centimeter, both are same. The same similarly the significant figure also same. For this purpose this 450 centimeter is converted to significant 4, so that is 450.0 centimeter. This is the exactly correct answer. Okay, so that is 4.500 meter is equal to 450.0 centimeter. So here this is the second one. Suppose if you are taking kilometer generally, similarly we want to express the value in the kilometer. So we have to write the result of 0.004500 kilometers. Okay, so don't to write to 0.0045 kilometer, 0.0045. If write 0.0045 kilometer, what is the significant figure? This is significant figure is 2. So therefore this value will be wrong. So this meter is converted to kilometer. How to write? 0.00. These two zeros is not significant. So 4500, it is a 4 significant. So now the 4 significant. So it is a correct. And what about half a millimeter case? What about half a millimeters case? In this one 4500 millimeter, right? Exactly correct. But in the 4500 millimeter, what is the significant figure? The significant figure is 2. Okay, so according to rule number 5a, this is a rule number 5a. According to rule number 5a, 4500 millimeter significant figure is 2. But so these are very easy. Meter to conversion centimeter, centimeter to conversion of the kilometer is very easy. But in the millimeter is very difficult. Is now arises is a very problem. We cannot write to 450 centimeters. We cannot write 450 centimeters. Okay, this centimeters and kilometers and meters is you can write in the significant 4 is very easily, but this is millimeter. It is not writing like this because it's very large and very small quantities of the physical measurement of usually expressed. Okay, so these type of problems is usually measured scientific. Okay, scientific notation. It is using scientific notation as power of 10. Scientific notation of power of 10. So this exponent or power of 10 is called order of magnitude. So what is the called as order of magnitude? So therefore in this one, listen, 4500 millimeters is written as 4.500 into 10 cube millimeters into 10 cube millimeter by the rule number 4a. By the rule number 4a, what is the significant figure? The 4 is a significant figure. Significant figure is 4. So what is the order of magnitude? The order of magnitude is equal to 3. Okay, so generally this millimeter, this type of very large values, very small values of physical quantity measurement are usually expressed in the scientific notation to denote accuracy of measurementation. What is the scientific notation? It is write a powers of 10. So this power of 10 exponent or power of 10 is called order of magnitude. So 4500 millimeter, I will write 4.500 into 10 cube millimeters. Okay, so therefore what is the 10 cube significant? There is no significant. Okay, the 10 cube, 10 power 20, 10 power 30, 10 power 40. For example, I will write 2.64 into 10 power 24. What is the significant figure? 1, 2, 3. Only significant figure is equal to 3. Don't take 10 power 24. So this 10 cube is no significant figure, but 4.500 is a significant figure. So now this 4.500 is a significant figure is 4. So this is all rules about of a significant figure. Only these rules. Okay, especially rule number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and some exceptional rule 5a. So these only. Okay, especially JEE mains and NEET purpose, this type of problems is given the number of significant figures. Next, rounding of the uncertainty digits or rounding numbers. The process of omitting non-significant digits and retaining only the desired number of significant digits, incorporating the required modification to the last significant digit is called rounding of the numbers. Okay, so here it is having some rules. So I will explain rules how to rounding of the numbers. I will explain one by one, especially 3 rules are there. So rule number 1, the preceding means front digit is raised by 1 if the immediate insignificant digit to be dropped is more than 5. So here what is the rounding of the uncertainty digits or number? The process of omitting the non-significant. Omitting is a remove the non-significant digit in the last one. If you give the last significant digits, so what is the first rule? The preceding digit of raised by 1 if. So I'll give one example, is very easy understanding. For example, 5728, I want to significant figure of a 3. So actually this 5728 is a significant figure is 4, but I want to only significant figure up to 3. So how to round up these numbers? So in the 5728, okay, the 5728, for this purpose you taking, I will write 5728. So the preceding digit is raised by 1 if the immediate insignificant digit to the dropped is more than 5. So this is a significant 3. So 1, 2, 3. What is the immediate insignificant? This is the immediate insignificant digit. Immediate insignificant digit is a dropped. It is a dropped. So this 8 is a dropped, is very good. But what happen if this more than 5, it is raised 1. It is more than 5, raised 1. If less than 5, it is not raised. It is not raised. So this 8 is a more than 5. 8 is a more than 5. So what is the answer? 5, 7, 2 is raised, that is 3. And is a dropped. What is the dropping? 0. So 5, 7, 3, 0. 5, 7 approximately. So but what is the exactly here? 5728 is 5730. This is a significant figure is 3. So this is called rounding number. First rule, the preceding digit means front is raised by 1 if the immediate insignificant, I want to 3 significant, but this is a 4 significant, this is a immediate insignificant digit to be dropped is more than 5. Okay, so this is a rule number 1. Next, rule number 2, the preceding digits to be left, the preceding digit to be left unchanged if the immediate insignificant digit dropped is less than 5. It is a more than 5, it is a less than 5. For example, here I am taking same 5728 is to be rounding off two significant figure. Okay, I want to two significant figure, so I will take one rounding number. So this is a significant figure means 57, actual 1 and 2, so it is a rounding because I want to 2, I want to significant figure only 2, but it is a 4 significant figure, so this is 1 and 2, I am rounding the 2 value. Okay, so this is a immediate or first non-significant digit is a dropped is true, I will drop along with 8 also, and it is a less than 5, it is a less than 5. So in this case this 7 value is a as it is value, not increase. So this 5728, the significant to what is the answer? 5700. 57. So here the preceding digit to be left unchanged. Left unchanged. This is a 7. Left unchanged if immediate insignificant, this is a insignificant digits dropped is less than 5. Both are dropped. So don't take the 8. I want significant to 2. 2. You can taking the next first non-significant, you can take immediately mean don't to take 8. Okay, if you're taking the 8, their significant will be changes. I want a significant figure 2, so just to next to take in maybe 5 less than 5, or if the greater than 5 just again increasing 1 is a less than 5, just is a drop to 0 0, and it is not changing 5700. So it is now their significant figure is 2. So this is a rule of rounding number. Next, rule number 3, if the immediate insignificant digit to be dropped is 5, then there will be two different cases. If immediate insignificant digit is dropped is 5, sometimes not exactly 5. In the first case greater than 5, in the second case less than 5. Suppose exactly 5, what happened? Okay, in this case I am taking the two cases. The case 1, if the preceding digit is even, it is to be unchanged, the 5 is dropped. For example, here I will give some example. 6.7258. 6.7258. I want to rounded off two decimal places. Two decimal places. Okay, or three significant figure. Don't confuse decimal places and significant figure will be different. So here this is a decimal point. Okay, so 192, this is 192, or significant 3, 1 2 3. So after next this is a 5. Okay, so here I want to, what is that? Significant to 3. Generally you can 6.72, but after immediately what is the number is it? 5. This 5 is dropped. So what is the condition if the preceding digit is even? That's preceding means 2 is a preceding. Preceding means front. Okay, the preceding digit is even, 2 is even, it is to be unchanged, 5 is dropped. So that is what is the answer here, 6.72, like this, 6.72. And case 2, if the preceding digit is odd number, odd. Okay, so it is to be raised by 1, for example 6.7158. okay, the same rounding number here 6.7158. so the significant figure is 3, or after 2 decimal point 1 2 3, it is a rounding. The preceding value less than or greater than. Okay, so it is the preceding is a even or odd value. So in the odd, what happened? Raised by 1. So that is answer 6.72. Note. Okay, so in this one 3a and 3b, zeros should not placed, note, should not placed in the place of decimal digit drop. Don't write to 00. 6.7200 is a wrong. Don't drop. The 0 should not place it in the place of the decimal digit. If you drop it, their significant will be changes. If you drop it, their significant will be changes. So just is a dropped. Okay, if you want significant figure 3, just 6.71. Here 5 is as t, so the 5 it is a even or odd, you can check. So these are rounding numbers only, especially 3 cases and 3 rules. So if you're taking any one, you calculate significant and rounding numbers is using of the number of problems. Okay, thank you one and all.